Welcome to In Your Face. By default, the app will show you alerts for all events in your selected calendars. But sometimes, too many alerts can be overwhelming. That's why In Your Face offers you the flexibility to tailor your alerts, ensuring you only receive notifications that matter to you. Let's dive in and discover how you can gain more control over your event alerts. To start customizing your event alerts, you'll need to set up event filters. This can be easily done within the app settings. Let me guide you through the steps to manage which events you get alerts for. Let's select the timeframe for which you want to receive event alerts. You can choose to view only today's events or expand your view to include all events for the next 7 days, or any period in between. Now, let's refine your alerts further by filtering based on specific event properties. You can choose to receive alerts only for events that you have accepted, events that include a set alert, or those containing a video conference link. Remember, these filter options can be used together and are cumulative, meaning you can combine them for more precise control over the alerts you receive. You now have a good understanding of the basic settings to control your event alerts. But In Your Face offers even more flexibility with custom filter rules, allowing you to fine-tune exactly what alerts you see. To dive into creating these custom rules, let's begin by navigating to the rule editor by simply clicking on the Edit button. Create a new rule by clicking the plus button at the bottom. A new row is added, allowing you to start customizing your filter. First, choose the field of the event you wish to filter by, such as the event title, notes, or location. Then, select the type of filter you want to apply. For instance, you can set a filter to match any event with lunch in the title. Other options include begins with, ends with, and is for exact text matches. There is also an option titled Matches Pattern. We will explore this feature in more detail later in the tutorial. Finally, enter your search text in the text field on the right side. You can choose whether the filter is case-sensitive or not. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will leave it off. And like this, we have set up a rule that will prevent alerts for any event containing the word lunch in its title. You can create as many rules as you like, and you can come back anytime to edit and refine them. If you find that a rule is no longer necessary, you can easily remove it by clicking the Delete button. As mentioned earlier, there is an additional filter type called Matches Pattern. Let's explore how this works. Let's say you don't want to get any alerts for events on your office floor since you are already there anyway. Meeting room numbers are prefixed with the floor number, like room 1.3 on the first floor, or room 4.1 on the fourth floor. Because we are on the first floor, we will add a new rule that reflects that. Choose Location as the field, and Matches Pattern as the filter type. In the text field, enter room 1. Question mark. The question mark in this context is a wildcard that matches a single character, so this rule will search for the text room 1. Followed by any one additional character. This will now effectively filter out any events located in rooms on the first floor. To exclude events in any meeting room, not just on the first floor, modify the rule to room asterisk. The asterisk in this context is a wildcard that matches any number of characters. With this change, the rule will now filter out any event where the location starts with room. You can incorporate as many wildcards as you wish in a single pattern, allowing you to create complex and powerful filter rules. Note the question mark button on the right. Clicking it reveals a cheat sheet that explains how pattern matching works, in case you forgot. In Your Face offers tailored control over your event alerts. You can filter alerts by event properties, select specific timeframes, and use custom filter rules with wildcards for precision. These rules can be as many and as complex as you need, and you can edit or delete them anytime to suit your changing requirements. With these tools, In Your Face ensures you're alerted only to the events that truly matter to you. If you don't already use In Your Face, there is a link to the website in the description. Thanks for watching.